Today, I'm going to share with you a very simple DIY. This is electronic life. The time has changed so much. In the past, we used to have a satellite dishes, and now they are useless. If you look at on my house, I have a satellite dishes up here, up there, and then I have a one dish on the other side, Dish Network or Direct TV. So now these are obsolete items. What are you gonna do? They are sitting on your house room. They don't look good. How we can use our satellite dishes in proper way? And let's get started. The big task is to remove these satellite dishes. When you are uninstalling, so be careful. So I'm going to take these out. So this is the smaller one, is much easier. If you're scared of height, then please don't get on the ladder. So now I'm going to uninstall the other ones. After removing the satellite dish, I disassembled it. These are my ACs. They are exposed to heat, cold, all the weathers. If you see, the paint is kind of deteriorating. It's getting rusted. Now these dish, they look nice. You can use as a cover. Look at this. And these are pretty heavy. You don't have to use anything on top of it. They won't fly away. Same thing with the bigger AC. You can put it on top. Just like this. So now if we have a trees around and the leaves, they are falling, and most of the times what happens with the ACs? The leaves get accumulated, get clogged up, and then you need a preventive maintenance. Instead of throwing this dish away, you can make a use out of it. So this is what happens. Other AC, the same thing. I'll brush them off, put a new paint. It's gonna look nice, the same color. And once the color is done, then I'm going to put the cover on, and it's going to look real nice. It's a nice cover. I hope it will motivate you also make a good use of your old dish. So if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.